Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by confirming which Python idle you're using so you edit the right files. Open idle and check Help right arrow about. Once done, back up the idlerk folder immediately to avoid losing defaults. Then locate the config highlight. CFG file inside that folder because it stores background and foreground values. You'll edit that file to change the editor background. Make sure idle is closed before editing so it doesn't overwrite your changes while you work. Now open config highlight. CFG with a plain text editor and find the section for the theme you want to change, typically labeled normal or the theme name. Edit the background value using a hex code like #282C34 or numeric RGB. Hex is consistent across platforms. Once you edit background, double-check related foreground and selection colors to retain contrast. Save the file and keep your backup. If you plan multiple themes, duplicate the section and name it, to apply changes, reopen idle and the editor will read the modified config highlight. CFG. If you don't see the new background, restart idle or your machine to clear cache settings. Make sure the file syntax is exact because a typo can prevent loading. If colors revert, restore your backup and repeat edits more carefully. On Windows, insufficient permissions may block saving. Run idle as administrator or edit the config in your user profile to avoid permission issues.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.